Hello mga ka-special! Welcome na naman sa another vlog ng The Superficial Family. Alam niyo ba kung nasaan kami ngayon? Nandito kami sa Central Park ng New York. Ayan, so ito daw yung pinaka-famous na public park sa buong mundo. Ito ay ginawa pa simula noong 1858 upang matugunan ang mga pangangailangan ng mga tao dito sa city, kasi nga sa sobrang stress nila sa work, so at least ayan, makakapag-relax ang mga tao dito habang namamasyal. At sobrang ganda rin naman talaga ng pasyalan na to. Alam niyo ba, malaki ang park na ito. Kapag nilakad mo siya, aabutin ka ng 1 hour and 15 minutes. At kung i-explore mo talaga ang Central Park, aabutin ka ng mga 3 to 4 hours. Ganyan. Bali, kapag pumunta ka dito, wala kang babayaran. Free talaga siya. Pero kung sasakay ka ng mga pedicab, yan, may bayad yan. Nag-decide kaming sumakay na lang sa pedicab kasi nga malayo-layo na rin yung nilakad namin papunta dyan sa Central Park at napagod na rin yung anak ko. So, ayan, sumakay na lang kami ng pedicab. At sulit naman kahit medyo may kamahalan. Kung maaalala nyo yung place na yan, dyan daw nag-ice skating si Kevin ng Home Alone.
Morning chanted John Wick, Sex and the City, 27 Yeah. Alright. You gotta stretch your arm right there. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I'll take picture all of you. I really suggest it.
At naandito na kami sa famous fountain dito sa Central Park. Ang The Bethesda Fountain. Isa daw yan sa pinakamalaking fountain dito sa New York City. At kung meron kayong boyfriend at girlfriend, ay napakagandang mag-date dito. At pwede ka rin mag-propose, o diba? Sobrang ganda.
hell are you doing? Hey, this is our show, not yours. You know what? Turn them around, turn them around. Wait, big. If you don't want to see it, who wants this?
This is the most romantic Oh yeah,
This one? Sa friends ba to? Ay, hindi natin sinabi.
So, nung time na yan, medyo mainit na. Buti na lang, mahangin, presko. Ang sarap ng pakiramdam. Gawa may dumadamping hangin sa mga mukha namin. Hindi na kami masyadong naiinitan. Tama lang din ang desisyon namin na sumakay ng pedicab kasi nga sobrang anlalayo ng lalakarin mo pala talaga. Grabe. At saka magagahol na rin kasi kami sa oras. Pag naglakad pa kami, marami pa rin kaming pupuntahan after nito. Tapos uuwi pa kami ng Connecticut. Magte-train kami papunta doon.
Honey mafia, all left here, mafia, Luciano. The short building in front of us in the black is the oldest building in this neighborhood. Oh, at that time there was nothing around here, just this one.
In front of this
I was talking to this small one.
that small one. Ah, this one.
This one, yeah. Look at the picture here.
Yeah.
Which one?
This one.
This is the most famous. Yeah, this is the
Nice.
Long and lived here. That's why he got killed. He got killed in the entrance, maybe sometime. John Lennon wanted to be famous. He wanted his name.
John Lennon.
So, ito yung Imagine mosaic na pinagawa nila para kay John Lennon. So, yun na pala yung last stop namin. And then, after nito, ihatid na lang kami ng aming pedicab driver sa isa sa kainan dito sa New York. So, pinakita niya pa rin sa amin yan yung mga buildings dito sa New York at napakabait naman niya. Talagang sulit yung binayad namin sa kanya.
Yeah, it was fresh actually. But they drive too there. In Texas, you drive, right? Yeah. They mostly come out at night. Yeah, basically.
So now, you see the last building with the chip there? From the movie No phone. It's the most visited spot in Cuba.
So, bali bumalik kami ulit sa loob ng Central Park at mukhang sa kabilang side kami lalabas para maka-exit dito sa Central Park. Kaya, sit down and relax muna kayo dyan. Manood muna kayo ng magandang tanawin dito sa Central Park.
You see that building right there? You see that building right there? Straight, you're gonna see it. They left empty floors for the wind to go through. It's very skinny.
So that's the purpose of that?
It wasn't swayed that much because they have empty floors, so the wind goes through inside.
Okay.
It's one of the fanciest buildings.
Under the boughs where the shadows play, the wind hums songs at the break of day. Whispering pines, secrets untold, carrying tales only the forest holds. Moonlight spills through the velvet dark, etching patterns, leaving its mark. The roots stretch deep, the earth's gentle sigh, a lullaby sung to the open sky. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune, caught in the rhythm of the stars and the
Oh, you
moon.
can come work here. I will work here.
Teach me the language of rustling leaves, stories that linger on the breath of the
That's what they need
breeze.
to do. I can make my own mark.
Oh, what?
Dawn paints gold on the mountain's crown, while rivers whisper truth as they flow down. And their songs entwine with the trees that stand, knotted in time by nature's hand. Each echoing step on the forest floor opens a world through an ancient door. The silence alive, yet brimming with sound. In the arms of solitude, I am found. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune, caught in the rhythm
This is hand carved. The whole thing was hand carved.
This one?
Yeah. This one, the left side, nothing holding it to the ground. This one, look, the left side, nothing holding it to the ground. They couldn't buy the property next to it. They paid them air rights.
Thank you for
They extended it.
watching. God bless po. Please follow and like our page and share the love.